What is your name, and what was your main health concern when you came to see us?
My name is Nika Mayer, and since July, which I guess has been, I don't know, 9 months or 10 months, I've had this pain in my thumb joint. And so I really read about a laser treatment that sounded like it would work, and I Googled you, and you had that laser, and so I came here hoping that it would work.
Awesome. And how did this inner problem interfere with your work and lifestyle?
So at first, where I felt the pain mostly was when I did a pinching movement, so holding a pencil, holding a paintbrush, twisting a cap was really painful and difficult. But it actually began to hurt even when I wasn't doing anything. And that really just about sent me around the bend. Mm-hmm. So I really was willing to try anything.
Mm-hmm. What did you try before that did not work?
Well, daily doses of Advil, which in the beginning worked. But from July until the beginning of April or the end of March, I was using 400 to 800 milligrams of Advil a day. And at the end, that didn't really help very much. I went to see a hand surgeon who x-rayed both my hands and said that there's no cartilage left in both of these joints. The left one's actually worse than the right, but the right one was the one that hurt. So he gave me a shot, which he hoped would work, that I would be pain-free for a year. And he was willing to do that 2 times, he said. And then at the end of the second year, if I had pain again, then surgery was the only alternative. The shot didn't actually help me. I didn't find any relief from the pain. And then I tried, I don't know if it's called Capacin or something, it's a cream which makes your skin burn so much that I suppose you're supposed to forget about the pain.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm really pleased that the laser treatment did work, and I'm actually a lot better off.
Me too. Are you still taking any Advil currently for this pain?
No.
Awesome.
I actually forgot about it, and I just remembered that I haven't been taking it, so that was great.
Awesome. What did you notice about the Executive Express staff that you liked?
I think probably that you're professional. I first of all like that you do a lot of things online, so there are appointment reminders and everything. Mm-hmm. But I think that really the staff is just so upbeat and optimistic and, really interested in the whole patient and in healing.
Definitely. What effect has our treatment had on you, and how do you feel now?
Well, I am just, this has just been unbelievably successful as far as I'm concerned. I really felt at the end of the treatment, the very first treatment, that I really had a reduction in pain that was probably like 60 or 70%. I mean, it was really noticeable, and so I was astonished. And I thought that in a couple of days it would wear off and I would be back where I was when I came for the next treatment, but that was not true, and it hasn't been true. Mm-hmm.
Didn't you recently cater a brunch for a very large number of people that you didn't even have to wear a wrist guard for?
Yeah,
I seem to recall.
Yeah, I left the wrist guard part out of the, what have you tried that didn't work? I haven't worn the wrist guard for probably, I've been in treatment with you for a month, so this has probably been 2 weeks since I've worn the guard, or maybe even 3. For me, there were really 2 disadvantages to what was going on with me. One was I was extremely irritable because I was in pain all the time, so I had a tendency to snap and be, just difficult and feeling bad. Mm-hmm. The other thing is that I'm a watercolor illustrator, and so it's really painful to hold a paintbrush. And even when I came in here and had to fill out a form, by the end of it, I just wanted to toss it back to the receptionist and say, I can't do this, it hurts too much to hold a pencil. So I'm now back to being able to do watercolor artwork, and so this morning I did a little watercolor so that I could prove that I can hold a paintbrush now. This isn't finished, but I had a great deal of pleasure in being able to do it without pain.
Awesome. I'm so happy you were able to do that too. Would you recommend Executive Express Chiropractic to others and this kind of treatment as well?
Absolutely. I mean, I really had never heard of it. I don't know anybody else who's done it. I had a friend come from Colorado who said that the last time I saw her, she said she never had any relief from her hand pain. She's also an artist, and you know, I said to her, you have to, when you go back to Colorado, find somebody who does this because it just works so well. So I'm a convert.
Awesome. Thank you so much.